All right, guys. Good morning. All right, it's 5:43 West Coast time. So right now I'm looking at the 14-2 chart here at this location here. I'm just waiting for this green band to turn pink and then blue fibs to turn red. Once those two indications, then that's indication to the downside. So I'm waiting for it to go down, turn red, and then it's gonna bounce up, and then I'm probably gonna get put in my sell order somewhere up here. So right now I'm just waiting, just sitting tight, and usually sometimes what I'll do is I'll just wait for a good opportunity. Sometimes they'll come early, or sometimes I'll just wait until the market opens at 6:30. Alrighty, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, guys. I put a sell order here at this red band. I'm hoping that it will just bounce here and come down. I'm looking at my 14-2 chart, so this first band here turned red, but I have a feeling that it's gonna continue to the downside. Probably will come down all the way down. Probably break divergence, and so probably break divergence and come down all the way to this red blue fibs here. So right now I'm just sitting tight. If it reaches to my sell order, then I'm just waiting for it to go up, fill my order, then come down. I noticed these right here. That's doing this bounce at this blue fibs. Came up, hit the pink band, came down again, hit yellow dots, went up again, broke just a little bit, but then that turned green. That's a good indication, meaning it's going down. It did not touch red fibs, but it came down and it broke these two. So one of them already turned red, and there's a possibility it's just gonna break to the downside. So I'm just waiting for it to push up. If it doesn't, oh well. I'll just wait for until the market opens at 6:30. All right, guys. I'm gonna see if it'll bounce. At this pink band here. It did a good drop. Look at this. But now this is what scares me. See this? This right here, in between these bands on the 14-2 chart, you have these two broken bands, and then you have these solid bands almost in between. That's indication that it's going to go to the upside.
Order filled.
So here we go. If it goes and continues, it's gonna probably hit my stop, but probably is gonna bounce here at this yellow dots because this is my 14.2 is my support. So there it goes.
Target filled.
First target. Moving my stop. See, now it's gonna bounce.
Stop filled.
It's gonna go up. 275 on that first move. Now it's gonna continue to go to the upside right now. So my prediction is gonna probably hit red fibs here, or so you have two diversions now. Indication to the upside. Now it's gonna get up to red fibs, but since I'm looking at the 14.2 chart, now you see that's in between this. It's gonna break the pink band, then break this. I'm gonna just wait for it. I'm gonna sit tight and just see what it's gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna pause this for a second. Alright, see now it's gonna bounce on the 14.2 chart. It's gonna bounce on the pink band here. So it's gonna be a possibility that it's gonna, on the 5-1 chart, it's gonna come down, bounce here in the green, or come down to divergence. And then it's gonna go up again and bounce on the red fibs here. So if this breaks, yeah, I see that's gonna go to the upside probably. It's gonna bounce here at divergence. So you notice that this broken band, now the wrinkle bar is above it. This is gonna turn green. So if I put my green biota here, it's gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce here at divergence.
Order cancelled.
And then you see these red bands turn green already, and then it's gonna go to the upside. So it's gonna bounce here and then go up again. So you got one divergence, two divergence. If it doesn't reach to this divergent here, or to the red bands, the red broken bands in the 5-1 chart, if this just stays there and bounce up, then it's gonna continue to the upside, so it's gonna break this and then break the red fibs. I'm gonna pause this for a second. So look at now, balance and diversion is now gonna go up, and that's gonna go. It's yellow dots now. It's gonna go right here,
Order pending.
then come down. If it doesn't pass these pink bands, then it's gonna bounce here, then come down all the way down and break these blue fibs. If I'd have put my sell order there, I could have got a nice drop. But sometimes you can't predict those because sometimes it just continues to break that and then break red fibs. So it's kind of hard to predict because you have two supports and this in between the broken bands, indication to the upside, but also indication to the upside is gonna go up and then bounce on the pink band, then come down like we just did right now. So now it's bouncing off divergence. So that's gonna be indication to the upside. So this is gonna break. Eventually that's gonna break.
Order canceled.
I'm just waiting for a good opportunity. Could have got it here. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Alright guys, we got 5 more minutes. So uh, what I think, well, it's bouncing here at the pink band on the 14.2, but on the 5-1 chart, this turned green already. So it came down, hit divergence, like I said, then it's gonna go up. Came down a little bit, then went up. So now what's gonna do is if I put a buy order here at the at the green band, possibility will bounce up. But that's the thing. And the thing is that's what's happening is on the 14.2 chart here, it's bouncing even though you have these bands that turn green already. I don't know if it's just gonna break it, continue, possibility break these two, and then or hit fibs then come down. So I'm just waiting for the market open. So we got 3 more minutes to go. I'm gonna pause this for a second. Alright guys, here we go. Got 1 minute to go. So We have 10 seconds to go.
Order canceled.
Cancel that order. Here we go. Pink band supporting it. It's not turning green. But these turned green already. So it's gonna come down to the band and continue go to the upside. There we go. See, it's gonna break. Just gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it to break here. Seems like it's struggling. Alright, it's gonna break to the upside. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rib. That's a lot. Yeah, I had my sell order here, and now it's gonna go down. What's a fake out?
Order pending.
I'm gonna put my order there. Seems like it's just bouncing off of the red fibs right now. No, missed it. You have to be patient. Now the renko bar is gonna go below these green broken bands here. It's touching divergence here. It's gonna come down. You have to be patient. I'm gonna move it up here. No, going down now. Yep. See when this thing forms, it forms into, that's gonna be red pretty soon. So it's gonna hit this again and come down. So now I'm looking at the 14.2. If this forms and breaks this, then it's going to be to the downside. Sometimes you overthink. Let me see if I'm right.
Order filled.
There, here we go. Hopefully this doesn't reach to my fibs here. Probably will, but I'm just gonna move my stop loss. You don't want to move it more up because what's gonna happen is you could lose all your profits. Here we go. Struggling to go down. Yeah, struggling to break. All right, come on, come on. Hit my target one. You can do it. Push.
Target filled.
All right. First target has been filled. You know, I'm gonna move this right here because it's gonna bounce right here in this divergence. It's gonna stop me out probably. So you have two divergences here, then you have this yellow, so it's gonna bounce either on the divergence of the yellow. So I move my target 2 up here to the yellow dots to exit out with more profit. It seems like it's bouncing off of the pink band here, so possibility is gonna go down.
Target filled.
There. Done for the day. Did my quota. If I do more than 400 plus, I am done for the day. So now what's doing right here, if you notice, it bounced off of the pink band, bouncing red fibs. This never turned red, I mean green. That never turned blue. Now it's going to go down to the downside. Now what's going to do is go up again, hit pink band on the 5-1, then come down. It's going to come down all the way down, break blue fibs, or bounce at blue fibs. So now I am done. The reason I took a sell order here at this entry at the divergence is because this turned red now. So you have to be patient. So this turned red, the broken band turned red. So now my indication at this pink divergence is almost on the 14.2 on the pink band. So it seems like it's just bouncing off of the fibs bands. So now it's coming down. So this sprinkle bar is gonna come down all the way down to prior to this and I heard the second, because the first one always breaks the first one and then bounces on the second one. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Trade another day.